It goes without saying that trees can add an aesthetic and psychological value to a property. Well-placed trees can also shield a property from harmful particulate matter and carbon dioxide emissions, markedly reduce a house's own emissions, and generally serve to slow global warming. But these benefits can no doubt be difficult to quantify. So did you know that the right shade trees in the right place can add anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 value to a property, can actually make a house cooler, and even lower the homeowner's utility bills in the process? Studies have indicated that trees planted on the south and west sides of a building can lower homeowners' utility bills by 5 to 7%, while those planted on the east side have next to no effect, and those on the north side can actually cost the homeowner money, about 1%. By slowing radiant cooling of the house at night, without casting any house shading shadows during the day. Now, a 5% decrease in utility bills may not leave the homeowner flush with cash in just a single year. But 5 to 7% savings over a long enough period of time will really add up, like any worthwhile investment, and can even be reinvested into stocks and other ventures. And because trees on the south and west sides of a home allow one to reduce greenhouse gas emitting fossil fuel energy use and absorb greenhouse gases at the same time, they actually have double the carbon sequestration benefits than if they were out in the woods. These are no doubt valuable selling points for developers seeking to reduce their own environmental footprint while satisfying the needs of homeowners striving for the same thing. The best way to achieve this effect is to strive to maintain existing large shade tree presence in the development sites, both before and throughout the construction and development process, and even to build structures according to the positioning of trees that already exist on site. All too often, when construction and development efforts proceed while also trying to preserve trees on a building site, trees become significantly stressed and can even die, due to factors such as compacted soil, the depletion of soil nutrients and organic matter, and likely mechanical injury to roots and trunk alike. Getting a certified arborist involved at the very beginning of the planning process and keeping him or her involved throughout the course of the project's implementation is the most effective way to ensure trees remain healthy for the developer and the homeowner alike. Sometimes planting or even transplanting new trees around a structure is the only viable option. A deciduous flowering shade tree with multi-season interest and a modest terminal height, such as a dogwood, a flowering cherry, or a flowering crabapple, will look great for most of the year, will provide much needed shade with its leaves during warmer months, and will drop those same leaves to allow more sunlight into the house during winter months in which you actually want it. A certified arborist can tell you what species of trees drop their leaves and when, and ultimately assist in placing the right tree in the right place to both achieve the desired effect and ensure trees have the best chance for establishment and health for years to come. We all need to take steps to reduce our collective and individual ecological footprints in housing development and homeownership alike. To find out more about certified arborists and how to get them involved in your green construction project, visit the following websites.